Imagine this. You love your partner. Your relationship is stable. Life looks fine from the outside. But something quietly changed. The desire you once felt slowly faded. The excitement disappeared. And now, intimacy feels more like pressure than pleasure. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Studies suggest 1 in 3 women experiences a drop in libido at some point in life, and many never talk about it. Today, we're uncovering the real reasons female libido declines, and more importantly, 8 natural, science-backed ways to restore it. No shame, no unrealistic promises, just understanding your body again. Let's begin. Headphone Part 1, The Hidden Truth. Most people believe libido is just about attraction or emotions. But here's the truth. Libido is biology. Your brain, hormones, stress levels, sleep quality, and even medications are constantly sending signals that either say, it's safe to feel desire, or shut everything down. And when those signals fall out of balance, desire doesn't disappear because something is wrong with you. It disappears because your body is trying to protect you. Understanding this changes everything. So let's explore the real causes and how to reverse them. Part 2. Hormones, the silent controllers. Your libido isn't controlled by just one hormone. It's a delicate orchestra. Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and a lesser-known hormone called DHA all work together to support sexual desire. When even one of them drops or becomes imbalanced, the system struggles. Many women assume low desire is psychological, but often it's simply hormonal imbalance caused by aging, stress, postpartum changes, or lifestyle factors. The key lesson? Don't guess. Understand your body. Hormonal awareness is often the first step toward restoring desire. Part 3. Stress, the libido killer. Now let's talk about the biggest hidden enemy. Stress. When stress rises, your body releases cortisol, the survival hormone. And here's something fascinating. Your brain cannot prioritize survival and reproduction at the same time. When cortisol is high, your body enters fight or flight mode. In that state, intimacy becomes biologically unimportant. So libido shuts down automatically. This is not weakness, it's evolution. Reducing stress through relaxation, movement, mindfulness, or simply creating mental space can dramatically improve desire, sometimes more than any supplement. Headphone Part 4. Sleep, the underrated reset button. Think about the last time you slept poorly. You felt tired, irritable, disconnected. Now imagine that happening every night. Poor sleep lowers melatonin, a hormone that doesn't just regulate sleep, but also supports pathways connected to sexual arousal. When sleep improves, communication between brain and body improves too. Better sleep equals better hormonal balance. And better balance often means desire naturally returns. Sometimes healing starts with something as simple as consistent rest. Headphone Part 5. Nature Support System. Across cultures for centuries, certain herbs have been used to support female vitality and desire. Modern research is beginning to explore why. Some well-known examples include maca root, traditionally used for energy and libido support; shatavari, known in Ayurvedic medicine for hormonal balance; damiana, associated with improved arousal and mood. These herbs don't force desire. Instead, they support the systems that allow desire to happen naturally. Think of them as restoring balance, not creating artificial stimulation. Part 6. The surprising role of medications. Here's something rarely discussed. Certain medications may quietly affect libido. Some birth control pills, antidepressants, blood pressure medications, and reflux treatments can influence hormonal signaling or arousal pathways. This doesn't mean stopping medication. It simply means awareness matters. If desire changed after starting a medication, a conversation with a healthcare professional may provide answers you didn't expect. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-based wellness videos designed to help you understand your body, simply and naturally. And tell us in the comments, which factor surprised you the most?